Hi everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. I made it. I did it. My room is my vision of how I want it to look. It took me 2 days to get everything right, but now it's there. And this is how I vision my hobby room to look like. I moved my knitting cabinet, or what, sewing cabinet actually. I moved that. There's all my stuff on this wall, because this wall is small, and it's just better for me. And then the couch is on the place. Actually, what was in the beginning, I wanted to put a dollhouse on this side. I did it. So I think I moved this two things 2 or 3 times around, because I tried to so that the dollhouse could fit against this wall, but then there's no way for me to open my fold out. My cabinet for my working station is fold out, so if I open this stuff here, I the dollhouse would have been in the way. So then I had to move the dollhouse back again, and this cupboard here is really heavy. It's heavy and it's not the right thing to move. So that's the slipper couch. I put it there with obviously it's a doggy bed, as you can see. They're always on the couch. So then I moved everything, and I moved the dollhouse in front. I didn't actually want the dollhouse in front of the window, because it takes out a lot of light, but now again it looks actually so beautiful with the light shining through the windows of the house. Like I showed you, my cabinets is finished, it's on the place. I'm so happy about that. I almost lost 2 thumbs in the process. This one I almost cut off with my standing knife. It's better now. And this one I screw a screw, or drill a screw almost through my finger, but that's fine now. Now the cabinet is finished and done. Everything fixed, everything in place. My room is in a great condition. This is my working station for my nails. And so yeah, that's why all the stuff is there. And that's actually my nail, where I do my nails, as you can see. Everything is in place. I've just got this a little itsy witsy tiny problem. As you can see how it looks here. All this stuff needs to, or most of the stuff needs to come back inside the room, because while I'm working on my dollhouse, so all this nice will be gone soon, because I'm gonna have to put that stuff, because this is my hobby room. I've got 2 other spare rooms in my house, but that's my beautiful guest rooms. So I really don't want to use that space for my hobby stuff. This is the hobby room, and this is how it's going to stay. But yeah, so I'm going to have to pack all that stuff away again. Now I've got an extra table I can use. I'm going to have to pack all that stuff away, because I'm going to use that table, obviously. Then I'm going to work there, because there's more closer to the window, so there's more light there. But yeah, so this is how my room is supposed to look like. And obviously I'm going to put more of my own. This is not my own art. I'm going to put, that's my own. I made that. But yeah, I'm going to put my own art against up the walls. So yeah, this is now nice for today. But after this, after this video, just now I'm going to put away all that stuff there, and I'm going to start carrying all this stuff inside, because I want this space clean and open before my husband comes from work. I don't like it. I don't like my house like this. It was standing here overnight, and now I said no, today it must be inside. So bye.